Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a little design team haul that I am excited to show you. This is my first design team haul for AdornIt, and as I've mentioned before, I am an ambassador for their Dianna Marcum stamp releases this year, and I joined Marilyn G., Jill Norwood, Dee, and Cynthia, and I will link all the other ambassadors down below in my description box because they've already shared some great videos using Dianna Marcum products through AdornIt. And as you might remember, we all got that chocolate chip cookie stamp, which is, we all meaning the ambassadors, which is this one. And we've all shared different projects using this, and I hope you enjoyed them. And this I will link down below too. This one is $5 plus shipping. It is a photo, they're all photopolymer stamps in the new release, made in the USA, excellent quality. So anyway, this is the original one, the chocolate chip cookie. So now I just got a bunch of stuff in the mail that I am excited to start working on, and I'll tell you where you can get them. And there is also a stamp club that you can join to get recipe stamps every month that they release. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so the first one is this chocolate chip cookie canister. And this one is not part of the stamp club. This is a separate purchase that you can purchase on the AdornIt website right now. I'll link it below, of course. And this is on a 4x6 carrier piece of acetate. And again, this is photopolymer stamps. It's chocolate chip. That's a separate piece. And then you have the big cookie jar with the recipe. And I did put this here, this paper, so you could see it a little bit better. So since I got it today, I haven't had a chance to work on it, but I did want to come on and show you. So it's a nice big stamp, as you can see, and I will also link AdornIt's video down below. They had a Facebook Live where they show this stamp, they show how they color it, and just lots of good helpful tips for how to use it and store your photopolymer stamps as well. They make it big so you can easily see the recipe, which is great. This would be perfect for a card front, for an album, a recipe album would be perfect. So yeah, so this is what I got in the mail today. This heart is a little separate piece as well. This chocolate chip is attached to the cookie jar. So I love this. A lot of you may have ordered this already through the website. I know that it just started shipping, so you should be getting it pretty soon. So there's that one I got. And then this one is called the Recipe Element Stamp. This one is also available on the AdornIt website right now. Isn't that beautiful? This one is, let's see, the carrier sheet's about 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. Well, yeah, almost 4. So this one will be perfect for the cover of a recipe book. It's all one piece and the different utensils, and I love the designs that Dianna has. She leaves those little speckles in there, so it kind of like instantly gives a shadow to your stamp, so when you color them you don't have to like go crazy with like ink blending or paints blending, anything like that. So I love that. Love the font. I'm so excited to have Dianna Marcum stamps, you guys. I just can't believe this is true. I'm ecstatic. So yeah, so the next one is called the, let's see, we did the recipe elements. Okay, this one is the kitchen elements. And this one has a lot of fun pieces and really big too, as you can see. It's got the apron, the hand mixer with the little heart on it. Again, there are those little dots all around it, giving it shading. There's a whisk, a rolling pin, a cute measuring spoon set with little hearts on the measuring spoon, tied with a ribbon, an oven mitt, and a pot holder. So this one, the whole thing is about 7 and 5/8 and 5 3/4 about. So you can see the individual stamps are very good size. Great for elements for a recipe book or just, you know, any other project. You don't have to use them together at all. You can put them on cards, make embellishments out of them. As of now, there are not dies available to cut them out, but these shapes look pretty simple to fussy cut. and that's coming from someone who's not a good fussy cutter, but I think I could do this easily. So this one is the Kitchen Elements clear stamp. We have the this one's called the Cookie Jar Recipe Stamp. I don't think I said that. And this one is the Recipe Elements Stamp. Okay, so these are available now on the AdornIt site. These are not part of the Recipe Stamp Club. The Recipe Stamp Club you can subscribe to, and I will link that down below as well. Every month you will get a recipe stamp similar to this that's like geared toward that month. And yeah, so you get the recipe stamp itself, and then there are add-ons if you want. When you sign up for this, you can sign up for the add-on stamp of the month and also the paper collection stamp of the month. So let me show you what you get in May if you sign up during the month of May. This is the first stamp in the Recipe Stamp Club subscription, and this one is called Fruit Salad. I think I have another piece of paper here. Yes. And also very, very cute. They stamped this on the video on AdornIt. So definitely check out that video because they show all the different recipes that are coming for the next year. And they left it open-ended. It's not, you know, officially a year and then it stops. You're going to see, you know, what happens after a year. But hopefully they continue because Dianna has tons of, you know, recipe files and things that we can make into stamps. So very exciting, I think. So anyway, this one is Fruit Salad. So this one is one whole piece here, but you do get some elements too. You get these like little squiggles, some more dots, and some flowers too. So you can add them to your project if you want. So yes, this is the May subscription month. So if you sign up for the subscription, you can get this one. And this is the add-on for May. And this one, oh, sorry, wrong side. The add-on has pieces that will complement the recipe. So this one has fruits, of course. It's got cherries, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, apple, peach, sentiment that says homemade with love from, fruit, and like either an orange or lemon, pear, or not pear, grapefruit, a citrus fruit. So all of the stamps will be on 4x6 plastic sheets, and the same thing with the add-on. So they'll be filled, you know, everything will fill up that sheet for both of them. So I don't have samples of the add-on for the paper packs, but once I do, I will show those to you. But you can look on the website to see what the samples are. They're super cute. So the recipe stamp, like I said, is $18 a month, and that includes shipping. The add-on subscription is $15 a month, also including shipping. And the coordinating paper pack, which will have 8 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch paper, really, really cute paper patterns. That is $12 a month. So, and I think when you subscribe, you're not locked in for any amount of time except 2 months. And they just ask you to, you know, not cancel until after 2 months if you're interested in canceling. But eventually, they might have the individual months available as individual purposes, depending on what they have left over. But I did see on their video, they said that they will not include shipping and they will be more expensive. So the subscription is definitely the way to go if you can swing that. So this is the May version. So I'm going to be working on all of these stamps soon. Very excited. And I also got a few art supplies too. Now this is new to me. These are all available on their website right now too. I have never watercolored before, so I am really excited to do that. First of all, I got this pack of watercolor pencils, a beautiful rainbow of pencils. And I saw them using these on their video and they look so fun. So I'm eager to try this, and also included was a water brush pen, and this is the fine tip one, the small one. It comes in different widths for the brush itself. So you can see this one has a nice fine point, which will be good for, you know, getting into like the details. So yeah, so this is available on the website. This is available on the website now. And they also sent me this, which is, this is called the Watercolor 24 Color Compact Paint Set. And I know this is on sale on the website. I think it's, yeah, it's $10 and it was originally $15. So let's open this and take a look because it's different trays that stack up. So it's good for storage, for watercolors. So yeah, so the first one, let's see. Okay, so this is like a primary color palette, red, blue, white, yellow, and oranges. So kind of primary, right? And then the next one is, let's see, okay, they all stack together like that. The next one are like these darker berry colors. And then we have some greens and blues and yellows. And then neutral colors. So that'll be great for doing like, you know, landscape kind of scenes, I think. I don't, what am I talking about? I don't know what these will be good for. I'm new to this. If any of you are too, I invite you to join in with me because I've always wanted to watercolor, and so this is a great excuse for me to do it. So I'll be sharing my progress with you on how I do with this for sure. They have an India ink pad to do your stamping in, and when you use India ink, then your stamp doesn't run when you use watercolor paints on it. But there are other ink pads that you can use that you can use watercolors with. So and I have some of those. I just can't think of what they are off the top of my head. But anyway, go to the links down below for the Facebook groups for AdornIt. They explain all of this much better than I can, but I did want to show you what I got and what I'm going to be working with, and it'll be easy if you want them to and you haven't subscribed to the recipe stamp club, or if you just want some individual stamps and supplies, you could go ahead and click on the individual links down below and they'll take you to the places where you can purchase them. I don't get a commission or anything. I just want to make it easier for you guys to get them if you're interested. All right, so yeah, I think that is it. I just wanted to come on quick and show you all the different stamps and supplies that I got in the mail. Very excited. I can't wait to get started, and I'll be back to show you how it's going. I'll probably stamp them first in like Memento ink and do some alcohol coloring just because I really want to get started with that. But then I will try with the watercolors for sure. So that's it for now, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, everything will be listed in the description box, but if you have any questions, please let me know. And of course, with the Recipe Stamp Club, there'll be a lot more information on their page. So if you need more details about that, go ahead and check it out there. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out all the other ambassadors too. They're going to be having some great videos coming up and project shares here and on Instagram. So they will be linked down below too. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.